Trump's new tariffs are lying and they have landed hard on fashion imports from countries like India. If you are importing from India, your costs just jump by up to 36% overnight. But what does this mean for you and what happens next when American manufacturing is too expensive to fall back on? Let's break it all down and why leaving India might not be the answer. What exactly changed? Before April 2025, if you were importing apparel from India, you were paying a duty of just 2.5% to 7.4% depending on the product. Imposed a 10% universal tariff on almost all imports. And a few days later, a new country specific tariff added 26% more on top just for India. That's a total of 36% duty now on goods coming from India to US. What this means for, let's say, you are importing $1 lakh worth of women wear from India. Earlier, you were paying maybe $5,000 in duties. Now, you will pay $36,000 just in tariffs. This has massive consequences. Your landed cost spikes, your retail margins shrink, and if you pass the cost to the customer, prices go up and sales go down. Can the US just manufacture locally instead? Here's the problem. The US doesn't have the capacity to make clothes at India's scale and cost. Labor cost high, factories are fewer, and the fashion calendar demands fast delivery. So, shifting everything to the US is not realistic, at least not in the short term. America still relies on countries like India to keep its shelves stocked affordably. So, should you stop sourcing from India? No. This is not the time to walk away from India. This is the time to rethink how you source from India. India still offers deep manufacturing capabilities, skilled labor, and quality craftsmanship. Strong moves in sustainability and compliance. Long term partnership that deliver even in tough conditions. The solution better planning, sharper negotiations, consolidated orders, and building tighter cost structures to handle this change. These tariffs are tough, no doubt, but they are also a chance to evolve. Stay informed, stay agile, and don't underestimate India's ability to innovate, respond, and remain one of the strongest fashion sourcing partners in the world. If you are a US importer navigating this chaos, hit subscribe. I break down trade changes like this with real insight from the ground because fashion sourcing doesn't stop, it just gets smarter. Stay in touch.